Hello, hi, good evening.
Hello,
Yes, welcome
good
to my
evening.
class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yeah, I clearly see. It's
That's
nice.
great, that's great. Okay. Is this Yuta? Oh, nice
Yes.
to meet you today, Yuta. How are you?
Not bad.
Oh,
I
hmm, okay, yeah, that's
I just I went to a job and come back here. That's
mm,
all.
okay, okay. All right. So it's good to see you today. I can see here you chose pronunciation advanced 3. Is that right?
Yeah, yes,
Okay,
correct.
so the title is Leonardo's 3D models. Wow,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So let's start with the review first, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's review the previous lesson. So please read the paragraph with emotions, the color code in English. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, please start.
The color code in English. There's a color code in English that, among other things, allows you to be feeling blue while also being black mood. According to this code, you can be white with rage and at the same time see red. There are dozens of everyday expression in English where color conveys some
Conveys.
meaning,
Mm-hmm.
and it must be confusing for languages students that different colors can be used for the same emotion, but the same color can mean different things.
All right, wow, very good. Okay,
Mhm.
we're done with the revision, so let's go to the main lesson. All right, so
Mhm.
we are in the first challenge. Read the
Mhm.
paragraph, okay? So this is the
Okay.
first challenge. Please read out the paragraph below. We have
Mhm.
Leonardo's 3D models. Are you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, please start.
Leonardo 3D models. Leonardo da Vinci was a man of the many talents. He's best known for paintings
Mhm.
such as the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, but he's also responsible for the sketch of machines that appear to be a hit of his time. One such sketch appears to show what can only be uh, described as a ha- helicopter, and another details a diving suit designed for sabotaging enemies' ships. Museum workers have turned all his drawing into 3D models,
Mhm.
which are now on display in the Science Museum in London.
Okay, all right. Okay, that's
Mhm,
great. All right, now
mhm,
let's try to practice some pronunciation here. Okay, let's have words and expressions. So let's start with the word
mhm.
Last Supper. Please read.
Last Supper.
Okay, one more time. Last Supper.
Last Supper.
All right, very good. Next is sketches.
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 All right. We also have drawings.
Drawings.
Drawings. All
Drawings.
right. And also we have sabotaging.
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 All right. We also have the word enemy.
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 All right. And this one is Leonardo.
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 All right. The complete name is Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci.
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 Okay. Next
Mhm.
is we have, are we done with talents? We also have the word talents.
Talent.
One more time, talents.
Talent.
And then we have the word designed.
Designed.
One more time, designed.
signed.
All right. Okay, very good. Do you have any questions so far
Mhm.
before we continue to the next?
What does sabotaging meaning?
Sabotaging means it's
Yeah.
like it's actually a bad plan by some opponents. For example,
Mm-hmm.
let's say, for example, you have, let's say in sports, for example, okay? In sports you are playing basketball, and
Mm-hmm.
then if the opponents will do the sabotage, they will probably do something like they will hurt you, right? They will
Uh-huh.
do some bad
Uh,
actions to
uh, uh-huh.
like make you suffer, okay?
Yeah, I got
To
it.
hurt you. So that's sabotage. It's like bad plans. Bad
Yeah.
plans. Yeah. Yeah, that's
For
not good.
example, in playing soccer game, so someone
Mm-hmm.
hit the player, then maybe someone get the red card, yellow card, like
Mm-hmm.
this.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I got it. I
Yeah,
got it.
that's right. That's right.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. So let's proceed to the second challenge. So read
Mhm.
each sentence twice. Okay. So we will listen to an example audio of the sentence and practice them one by one. So you'll practice twice. Okay. So let's start with
Okay.
the first sentence.
Mhm.
Please listen carefully. It
Okay.
starts now.
Leonardo's 3D models.
Leonardo's 3D models.
All right, one more time.
Leonardo's 3D models.
Leonardo's 3D models.
Very good. Let's move to the next. Second sentence. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
Leonardo da Vinci was a man of many talents.
Leonardo da Vinci was a man of the many talents.
Okay, one more time. Da Vinci. Vinci.
Vin-
Chi. All right, Vinci. One more time.
Leonardo da Vinci was a man of many talents.
Leonardo da Vinci was a man of the many talents.
Okay, very good. All right, let's move to the third sentence. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
He's best known for paintings such as the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper.
Mhm.
He's best known for paint, paint, no, paintings such as the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper.
Okay, very good. One more time.
He's best known for paintings such as the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper.
Mhm.
He's best known for paintings such as the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper.
Okay, very good. Let's move to the fourth sentence. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
But he's also responsible for sketches of machines.
But he's also responsible for sketches of machines.
Very good. One more time.
But he's also responsible for sketches of machines.
But he's also responsible for sketches of machines.
That's right. Very good.
Mhm.
Okay, let's have the fifth sentence. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
That appeared to be far ahead of his time.
That appear to be fair ahead of its time.
Far.
Far.
All right, one more time.
That appeared to be far ahead of his time.
That appear to be far ahead of its time.
Ahead.
Ahead.
All right, ahead. Okay. All right, let's move to the sixth sentence. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
One such sketch appears to show what can only be described as a helicopter.
One such sketches appears to show what can only be described as a helicopter.
All right. Sketch. No S. Sketch.
Sketch.
All right, one more time.
One such sketch appears to show what can only be described as a helicopter.
One such sketch appears to show what can only be described as a helicopter.
Okay, very good. Let's have the next. Let's have the seventh sentence. Okay, please listen carefully. Here we go.
And another details a diving suit designed for sabotaging enemy ships.
And the details a diving suit are designed for sabotaging enemy ships.
That's right. Very good. One more time.
And another details a diving suit designed for sabotaging enemy ships.
Mhm.
And the details a diving suit designed for sabotaging enemy ships.
Okay, let's have the eighth sentence. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
Museum workers have turned all of his drawings into 3D models.
Museum workers have turned all of his drawing into 3D models.
All right, one more time.
Museum workers have turned all of his drawings into 3D models.
Museum workers have turned all of his drawing into 3D models.
All right. All his drawings into 3D models.
All of his drawing, no,
Drawings.
drawing into 3D models.
All right. 3D models. Okay. Here, let's move to ninth sentence. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
Which are now on display in the Science Museum in London.
Which are now displayed in the Science Museum in London.
In London.
London.
All right, one more time.
Which are now on display in the Science Museum in London.
Which are now on display in Science Museum in London.
All right, London.
London.
Okay, very good. All right, so now we are in third challenge. So listen to sample audio and read the paragraph. So we will listen to the whole paragraph and then you're going to read it by yourself, okay?
Okay.
And we will also study here some linking sounds after reading. Okay, so let's start with listening to the whole paragraph. Here we go.
Leonardo's 3D models. Leonardo da Vinci was a man of many talents. He's best known for paintings such as the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, but he's also responsible for sketches of machines that appear to be far ahead of his time. One such sketch appears to show what can only be described as a helicopter, and another details a diving suit designed for sabotaging enemy ships. Museum workers have turned all of his drawings into 3D models, which are now on display in the Science Museum in London.
All right, so this time please read the whole paragraph. Okay, are you ready? Okay, please start.
Leonardo's 3D models. Leonardo da Vinci was a man of many talents. He's best known for paintings such as Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, but he's also responsible for sketches for machines that appear to be far ahead of his time. One such sketches appears to show what can only be described as a helicopter, and other details are diving such are designed for sabotaging enemy ships. Museum workers have turned all of his drawing into 3D models, which are now on display in the Science Museum in London.
Okay, all right. Don't forget it's a sketch, okay? Not the sketches. One such sketch.
One such
Sketch. All right, now let's try to study here linking sounds. We actually have a lot of linking sounds to study here. It will help you read the paragraph faster, and at the same time it's more similar to the native speakers. Okay? All
Okay.
right.